बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है पीपीएससी के जो लेक्चरर हो रहे हैं पेपर एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट में। और ये पेपर जो आज हम जिसके बारे में डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अहम एमसीक्यूज हैं पेपर है और ये बिल्कुल सॉल्व्ड है। और ये पीपीएससी लेक्चरर एजुकेशन का पेपर है, बहुत ही अहम सवालात है, इम्पोर्टेंट है। पेपर में जाने से पहले इसको जरूर देख कर जाएं। चले हम क्वेश्चन की जानिब चलते हैं। पहले नंबर पर देखते हैं, क्वेश्चन है एवरी सिस्टम ऑफ एजुकेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन Option A is correct. Ideology of nation. Word philosophy is derived from. Option B. Phila and Sophia is correct option है. Expected life outcomes from education are referred as. The option C. Aims are correct. Being the science of wisdom philosophy aims at. Option B. Search for reality is correct. The first head of the Deoband was. The option B. Maulana Muhammad Yaqub Nanotwi. The Deoband Academy was totally. The option C. Non-government. Deoband की academy जो थी non-government की थी. The Deoband movement used curriculum revision as. The option A. Motive is correct option. The ulama of Deoband played a vital role in. The option B. Struggle for independence. The Deoband was established in. The option B. In 1867. The salient features of Deoband movement was. The option C. Revival of religious spirit. The Deoband movement ignored. The option A. Science. MAO High School was established in. The option C. In 1875. MAO High School was given the rank of college in. The option B. In 1877. Scientific Society was established by. The option B. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. MAO College was elevated to Aligarh University in. The option D. In 1920. The major impact of the Aligarh movement was. The option A. Political training. The major objective of Aligarh movement was to promote. The option C. Scientific look. Which one was not among the purpose of Aligarh movement? The option C. To prepare Muslims against Hindus. Jamia Millia Islamia was established on. The option B. In 1930. Jamia Millia Islamia was established by. The option D. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. In Jamia Millia, the medium of instruction was. The option D. Urdu. In Jamia Millia, the translation of Holy Quran was taught as. The option A. Stage 1. Jamia Millia could not become popular among Muslims due to its opposition to. The option C. Two-nation theory. Jamia Millia emphasized on. The option C. Both A and B religious education and science educations are correct. Anjuman Himayat Islam was established in. The option A. Lahore. Anjuman Himayat Islam was established on. Option A. 1887. The founder of Anjuman Himayat Islam was. The option B. Khalif Hamiduddin. Nadwatul Ulama was established on. Option A. In 1894. Nadwatul Ulama was established in. The option B. In Lucknow. Nadwatul Ulama was established on the initiative of. The option A. Maulana Shibli Nomani. The first administrator of Nadwatul Ulama was. The option D. Maulana Muhammad Ali Mangheri. Education Conference 1947 was held in. The option D. Karachi. Education Conference 1947 was presided by. The option B. Fazlur Rahman. Objective of education under Education Conference 1947 were the option D all of above. Conformity with ideology of life, economic development, character information. According to the recommendations of Indian Education Commission, government took the responsibility of option A primary education. Council of Technical Education was recommended to establish under option A Education Conference 1947. National Education Commission 1959 was established under the headship of the option C S.M. Sharif, Shahbaz Muhammad Sharif. Objectives of education under National Education Commission 1959 were the option D all of above, spiritual values, ideology of Pakistan and development of individuality. Textbook board was recommended to established under the option B National Education Commission 1959. National Education Policy 1970 was headed by the option D Abdul Hafiz Pirzada. Private educational institutions were nationalized under the option C National Education Policy in 1970. Under National Education Policy 1972, free education was recommended up to class the option C 10. Open University was established under the policy the option A in 1972. The focus of National Education Policy in 1978 was on the option C both A and B Islamic values and ideology of Pakistan. Charter Act was presented in 1813. According to Charter Act 1813, education is the responsibility of the option B East India Company. The amount set apart by East India Company for educational purpose will the option A 1 lakh. The objective of education according to Charter Act was the option C preaching Christianity. The medium of instruction for promotion of scientific knowledge according to Charter Act will be the option C English. The Charter Act of East India Company was renewed in the option A in 1833.